I mean, this time is. Local It's you the one who's talking. No, you're the one who's telling people because you're the one who's yeah. Oh, how can I help you? Alright. Do you like to know about our organization?
What's the point? I mean, the most our organization, you can fill the online registration form.
Okay. I will confirm. I will go to there.
Okay, okay, not a problem for me.
Thank you.
I have no
I don't know if it's near yet, but if you already know the lake rental, you will go get to a WhatsApp group and you can
How can I help you?
I just find your group. I think I plan an question. Just explain more about your organization.
Our organization in this university called UKS, Indonesian Institute of Education. Also, if you have a talent like in singing, dancing, playing the music tools, or make the song, just like that, so you can join our organization. The benefit of our organization not only you can sing, dancing, or something like that, but you can get the more of the lesson friendship with other friends, with friends like that, and you can collaboration with your friends. And our organization sometimes have the event that you can showing the other people what we make place like that.
So, your organization is about art?
Yes, about art like that.
I have trouble to make drawing or just painting. Yeah, some viewers very so when I go into the art,
Yes, we include all of art, not only like people who dancing, singing, but the people have talent in drawing like you.
so that online what is the activity about the drawing?
If people like you like drawing like we can sometimes we can have an event like showing painting to others, and maybe you can sell it your friends, sell it like that, and you can painting together with other friends.
That's fun.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, that's fun. How can I do it?
So if you interested with our organization, you can fill the online form that I share to your group Baba group in this okay, so we'll maybe after okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for coming. Everybody. Your organization, sorry, about the art? The art? Yes, wow. Interested in art? Okay. So it's just like art? I mean, I also interested with vocal. Are you interested in vocal? Yes. Well, our organization is for the vocal like that. Yes. Are you interested in singing? Yes. Okay. Oh my God, it's my God. You chose the best organization. Yeah. Okay. I will explain about our organization. Okay. Our organization in Indonesia named called UKS, Kesenian Mahasiswa. I'm so sorry. And if you join our organization, you can share your song like singing, if you like dancing also, or play the music like rock, violin, or harmony song like that. I can play you can learn and showing your talent in our organization. Not only singing or dancing, but also about music. Not only music, but also if you like drawing, do you have dance, maybe boy band? Yes. Our organization has dance. If you're interested in band, you can join the band. First thing, you must be joined. So far, when did you ever campus show? Sure. We also do the event or the performance like when the new students come in our university, our band front of you. Yes, I remember last year because I second semester and then I saw singing and playing like yes, I interested about it. That's good. How can I take that's if you interested in our organization, you can fill the reservation online form, or you can check our Instagram. Instagram is UKS and you can click the bio and our link for the recruitment is open about. I'm so excited. Okay. So what about selective I want to bring this message. What will I wear? Maybe I should show my image, show my talent. What will I portfolio? Yeah, like that. No, not style because not only people have the talent, but people who don't have talent can join for our organization. Do you have insert? Oh no, it's free. Really? Yes, it's free. Wow, you can join our organization. No insert. I'm very I say can I take some? Okay, yes. singing. Next please, next please, next please.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's 100% something.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I saw interesting most of them, and yeah, I just want to ask, what kind of organization is it?
Our organization is Indonesia Blank Pages KS Mahasiswa.
Alright.
This organization is are you interested like in the art, singing, music, plays, the musical or something like that?
I'm interested, but I think I'm not good at it, so yeah, but I have interest in it. So, what kind? Is there any condition to join this organization?
Sorry?
Any condition to join this organization?
No.
Oh, so you can join it.
Yeah.
Anybody can join
Yeah,
it.
anybody can join
Ah,
it.
that's-
Not only who have the talent like singing, dancing, or play the music tools, but who don't have the talent about that can join this organization. We can learn together. We can share our experience in the art together.
That's such a relief actually, because if there's any condition, I'm not sure I can, I can participate in it. So, yeah. So do you have any like brochure or anything? So I'll think about that this day.
If you're interested on our organization, you can show us in the Instagram. Instagram is named Candyman. So you can get the feeds or reels like upload the account like that. So if you're interested for our organization, you can fill the registration online form. You can share with your friends.
Sure.
In our organization.
Yeah, I will think about this organization this day and decide if I should join or not.
Yes.
So yeah, I think I'll check it out. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for coming.
Well, we're not going to say that to and the first meeting, we're going to have an exercise before the class and something that we're ready. And then we need to like, exercise.
Yes.
Can you tell me what your organization?
Okay. Firstly, I will explain to you about our organization, right? In Indonesia language, our organization called UKS. Unit Kesehatan Mahasiswa. I'm so sorry. Okay. Our organization is organization that include about art, like interested in singing, dancing, plays the music tools, or drawing. You can join our organization. Our organization also gives more relation with other people, not just like not just with me. You can have relation with others. You can get new friends, and also you can learn and you can learn together about the new talent like that. Are you have talent in singing and dancing or something like that?
Oh, I have lessons with art.
Oh, you have something in art, like drawing.
Like drawing, painting.
Oh, that's good. If you join our organization, you can show in your art, and sometimes we also have the event that you can show your art, or maybe can sell it with others.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So how can I join this?
Join our organization is so simple because no insert, no something like that. Just you fill the registration online form just like that. I will share the link, the brand on every room in this university, or you can our Instagram that we have account about our organization, so you can show the link recruitment link our Instagram.
Okay.
It's like that.
Okay,
Also see
I will do that. Thank you.
Yes, thanks for coming.
But
Yes, yes, you can sit.
I'm a new student here, so I'm looking an organization. What about the organization?
Okay, our organization in Indonesian which is called UKS, Universitas Mahasiswa. Okay, I will explain it to you about our organization. Our organization, like the name is Senian the art, but not only art. If you are interested in singing, dancing, plays the music too, or maybe you have interested in drawing, you can join our organization. And our organization not only who have the talent can join it, but people who don't have the talent in singing, dancing, or something like that also can join our organization. And not at all, our organization also can give you more relationship, like friendship. Your friendship is more like that. So it's like that. Okay, our organization also sometimes have events. So our organization can showing to other people about our talent or something like that.
Oh, about first payment. Do you have the first payment?
Or like insert?
Yes.
Join
Yes.
this organization. No, our
Just free.
organization is free. You just fill their open recruitment online form and just like that. No insert, no payment or something like that.
So, where I can read more about the organization? On it, where I can read more about the organization in Instagram?
Yes,
Oh.
our Instagram.
What is
and,
it? Instagram.
Username of our Instagram is our name organization UKSNL. Just like that. You can search in Instagram.
Okay. I'll read more first.
Yes.
So if I want to join, I will
You feel the
fill the Google form. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.